managed to be the first one here. I'm definitely in this video. I'm going to be going through this free mystery goodie bag from Worlds Apart for Funko Day. So it's the first 100 customers that got a free goodie bag. I bought this to get that goodie bag, so I got this for £12.99. Deadpool of figurines. I'm going to unbox this in a moment. So in this free goodie bag was, let's see, this Funko Pop. So this Stranger Things Robin Funko Pop. And these miniature Funko Pops. So thankfully I got these miniature ones. I actually quite like the miniature ones to go with my Deadpool. So this is the Infinity Saga. So you got that little Loki, Black Panther, Iron Man, and a mystery one. I'm just going to go ahead and open this. So I wonder what the mystery one is. So I can see there's a red. There's a red one in there. What you can get. I'm assuming it's another Iron Man. Yes, it's another Iron Man. As far as it's not a different figure and it's just the same Iron Man but a different colour. So here's a little case, and I saw I got this little pleased to meet you little duck. I got this one because I saw the clown. And then a little robe one. Now let's see which one this one is. Oh, it's this one. Oh, so it doesn't just... So it's that one. Oh, actually, see, at the back, there's a little... Oh. So this is what it looks like. All stacked up together, so on top of each other. It's a shame there's no like glass case at the back of the miniature figures. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content.